In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from a Fidelity 401k step by step. The exact process depends on your age, employment status, and the type of withdrawal you choose. Go to fidelity.com and sign in to your account using your username and password. From the dashboard, select your 401k retirement plan. Then click on Withdrawals and Loans, or Take a Distribution. If you don't see it, open Plan Details first. Fidelity will only show options your plan allows. You may see choices like hardship withdrawal, retirement withdrawal, early withdrawal, rollover, or a loan. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Fidelity will automatically show estimated taxes, penalties, and the final amount you'll receive. Select how you want the money sent, such as bank transfer, check, or rollover to an IRA. Bank transfer is usually the fastest option. Fidelity automatically withholds federal taxes. You can adjust them, but early withdrawal penalties still apply if you qualify. Click Submit and save your confirmation number. If you are under 59.5, you pay income tax plus a 10% penalty. If you are over 59.5, there is no penalty, only income tax. Your employer may restrict withdrawals. In that case, contact Fidelity Support or your company's HR department. That's it. You've successfully learned how to withdraw money from a Fidelity 401k.